Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're safe and healthy. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to watch my previous videos on INBDE NBDE Part 1 question series. So before I continue this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch every video that I post pretty much daily. And also don't forget to like, comment, share this video with your friends if you like the content. So let's start. Again, the very first few slides will always provide you the answers to my previous videos, 10 unsolved questions, so please compare your answers if you have already tried solving those. Moving to the next slide. Moving to the third one. And then the last slide with questions and answers. Alright, so with this last slide, I'm again sharing the next 10 unsolved questions. So please pause the video and spend some time to find the answers to these. Like always, I will provide answers to all of these in my next videos. Again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch every video, and don't forget to like, comment, share if you like the content. Bye for now.